Hello everyone, and this is a selection as an intern at a Spark Foundation for Functional Mobile App Development, and it is verified by truecertification.com. First of all, thank you Spark Foundation to organize this type of internship programs, and let's begin. So here is the tax list, and in short, GRIP. Okay. So graduate in rotational internship program organized by Spark Foundation. Okay, and simply my tax is this one. Okay, basic banking app, and we have to create a simple mobile app with some specs. Okay, so our main function or working principle is this one. Okay, home screen, all customers, select view one customer, and transfer money one to another customer, and we check, or we can check our history, transaction history. Okay, and beside that, our customer details is here. Okay, name, email address, current balance, and IFSC code you can also add, and there is 10 user by using SQLite database. Okay, so let's what the working principle. Okay, so have a look. So basic, our main. Okay, so have a look. So it is our user. Okay, view user. If I click here, so it will direct it to all the user list. Okay, whatever the 10 user. Okay, we created by Demi. Okay, so have a look. So that also when we enter from this to this, so have a look, username and current balance and mobile number. Okay, so if I choose, suppose choose my account, okay, Naresh Apat, and I simply click okay, so it will move to or drive to this user details about Naresh, only Naresh user details. Okay, have a look, Naresh Apat. Okay, it is a user, so here is a photo. Okay, and mobile number, email ID, account number, IFSC code, and current balance. Okay, and there is also one option that is called transfer money. When we click here, okay, transfer money, so it will ask as input. Okay, to enter some input money. Okay, so if I input suppose 2000, but in that case we have only 501, okay, as a current balance, so it will give some message that you don't have that much of amount. So we have changed that amount from 2000 to suppose 400. Okay, then it will, when we enter and confirm that amount, so it will direct you to this page, and again, okay, so basically here is 10 user. Okay, as Naresh Apad is one user already, so this list is 9 user. Okay, basically, so if I choose suppose Srikant Kumar Raut, then the amount of Naresh offered, that 400 will be added to this account. Okay, that's Srikanth route account. Again, one more thing, that we can check our transaction details by click here. Okay, when we click here, then it will redirect to this page. Okay, a new page, and here some details also mentioned. Okay, whatever we how what if we uh, transaction transact 5 times, okay, then it will be gradually decrease. Okay, means first I suppose transfer from Naresh to Srikanth, then after that Preeti to Abhishek, so list this was. Okay, so basically this is our working model. So let's move to our Android Studio. So here is our coding details. Okay, so if I collapse, okay, so basically it is divided into three parts, that you also know that. Okay, this three part basically. Okay, so have a look. So our Android manifest file is this one. After that our Java files are like customer adapter history, okay, and model, main activity, history list, database helper, where we this from all the details, okay, mentioned like as I all the details are there. Okay, okay, data table and data name, and there is a history. Okay, it is a history list, and it is our main activity. Have a look. View holder. Okay, so have a look. Our text view name, all the text view under an image view. Also, that is I also okay, and on click lister. Have a look. All the code is so. This is our user data, and it is our screen. Okay, if we directly visit from this. Okay, so let's move to our button. It is our button, and so arrow. Okay, it is our arrow as I and history. Okay, and that's it is our phone, around button, search. Okay, so basically the search option is when suppose if we transfer that time, we can search also. Okay, and after that, this is our main layout. Okay, when split, okay, as I told you that it is our main layout where few users are. When we click, we directly to from all the list, uh, as I told you that all customer datas. After that, it is our transfer, that this part is our simply this one, from this to this. Okay, when if we transfer our amount, then all the ninth list will be visible. So that part is that part. Okay, this one. Okay, and here also you can see that select a user to transfer money. Okay, all user, it is our all user list. Okay, so 0 to 9, have a look. History. Okay, and it is our activity transfer money. Okay, here enter money, that whatever we have to enter that amount, as I told you this one. From if we click this part, okay, suppose if I click this one, then it will be action value, that part. Okay, this one, and it's all about our user information. Okay, and it is our main screen. Okay, like this one is created, it will be better when I'll be demonstration my app. Okay, and this one our history, that as I told you that from Naresh to Srikant, that part. Okay, Naresh to Srikant, and amount, and it is a status that successful or failed, and date and time, and user list again, that user phone number, this part. Okay, basically this all the parts, single part. Okay, and here the menu also, search, banking, that. Okay, this is our action history. Okay, if I also check, there's nothing more. Okay, and this is our icon. Basically this is our icon, and round icon also I have select same, and it is what colors are there, and string. Okay, and stylish, and this is our theme. Okay, it is our night, this much only. So let's demonstrate. So one more thing, friends, if you want to build that apk as a apk file, then simply you can build apk. Okay, it will generate a apk file. So have a look, there is some list of emulators. Okay, that if I choose this one, that it will be take more time. If it will be better to choose my uh, phone emulator. Okay, because what why I choose that, I told I just okay simply run, and this is building till now. I told why I choose that, I as my laptop is basically i3 third gen, so there is a finish and there is a zero. Okay, so in my mobile there is a install, so I click on install. After that, so have I felt sorry because I select, I just simply click on install, but okay, don't worry, so there is no error. Okay, so have a look, this part is what I told you, and again it is our view all users. Okay, so simply I click and have a look, that is all user. So simply I choose Abhishek Singh. Okay, and transfer. So if I transfer 20,000 to Naresh Apat, okay, transaction successful, there is a message, and you can also watch the view by check status of transactions. Okay, successfully from Abhishek Singh to Naresh Apat 20,000, and it was successful, and time also you can check. Okay, we can back, and now we can transfer from Rajnikant Sahu. So if I enter more amount, okay, and send, then have a look, your account don't have enough balance. Okay, so okay, I don't want to transfer, then okay, so simply cancel. So there is a again one message, do you want to cancel the transaction? Yes. Okay, so transaction cancel. Okay, so there is a also check history hour. So why this is failed, because we not choose any user. So more, one more Kunal Tripathi. Okay, and again if I enter, okay, amount and transfer to Chinmoy Kumar Das, successful. Now have a look, uh, Kunal have 0.6 Steve. Okay, 60. So this will also, and have a look, it is successful. So this is all about that banking app. Okay, basic banking app which will be complete tax given by Spark Foundation. Thank you once again Spark Foundation, and all those who are watching or those are in the uh, intern as a Spark Foundation. I all link, and you can visit my LinkedIn ID also. Okay, and GitHub also, don't worry, there always there is internship program. Okay, so don't worry, you also participate, I'll giving link, and all the user are requested, you can, if you find any error or any problem, you can simply comment below. Okay, or all the other internship friends evaluate this internship, okay, of my basic banking app. I'll be give all the details in my LinkedIn. Thank you.